So here we are at the tail end of Act 1. The attempt to dig the second hole was abandoned, and now we're back to the original hole. The theory is if you cover up the person with the towel and put some sort of tasty treat on the towel to lure the seagull in, then the seagull will land on the towel, and the person underneath the towel can grab and have a seagull.
They have these big, I guess they're like.
So, Rebecca's underneath. Harry is setting the trap. This was inspired by a seagull we saw a few minutes ago who grabbed an unopened bag of Fritos, took them out into the bay, and then broke them open in the bay to eat them. And immediately a larger seagull came and stole the entire bag from the first seagull and flew away. And they thought, oh, seagulls like chips.
They won't leave any significant consequence. No explanation.